Hello everyone. It's the end of December, so it's Christmas time. Christmas is the most popular holiday in the United States. For many people, Christmas is a religious holiday. For many others, it's a tradition for family, friends, and exchanging gifts. There are also many people who don't celebrate Christmas at all. The end of December also has many other holidays. For example, there's the winter solstice, which is the shortest day of the year. There's also Kwanzaa, which is a week of reflection and celebration. And then there's New Year's, which is mostly celebrated on December 31st. In any case, this year for Christmas, I decided to cut down a Christmas tree and decorate it in my home. I'd like to invite you to see how I did that in this video. First, we'll do an overview of the whole process, then we'll look at some vocabulary, and finally, we'll take a look at everything from beginning to the final Christmas tree. I hope you enjoy the story of my Christmas tree. I want a Christmas tree for Christmas. Here are some trees. This is a tree that I like. This is a bow saw. I'm holding a bow saw. I'm going to use this bow saw to cut down the tree. I'm cutting the trunk with the bow saw. I'm cutting down the tree. Here's the tree I cut down. The tree is now in my car. The tree is tied with twine. The tree is now in my house. It's in a bucket. I'm putting rocks in the bucket. Here are some Christmas tree lights. The Christmas tree lights are on. Here are some Christmas tree ornaments. They are Christmas tree balls. This is also a Christmas tree ornament. It's a wreath. The Christmas tree is now decorated. These are cows. They are cows on a cow farm. These are llamas. They are llamas on a llama farm. These are trees. They are trees on a tree farm. This is a farm. This is a silo. These are sheep. They are sheep on a sheep farm. These are cows. They are cows on a dairy farm. Dairy farms make milk. This is a Christmas tree farm. Christmas tree farms grow Christmas trees. These are trees. This kind of tree is called a noble fir. This is a noble fir. Noble firs have pine cones. This is also a noble fir. You can see one noble fir pine cone in this picture. This is an assortment of tools. This kind of tool is a saw. It's a hand saw. These are saws. They are hand saws. This is a chainsaw. This is a saw. It's a circular saw. This is also a saw. It's a bow saw or a hacksaw. This is string. It's a ball of string. String is used for many things, such as kites. This is thread. This is a sewing machine. Sewing machines use thread. Thread comes in lots and lots of colors. This is string. It's a ball of string. String is used for lots of things, such as kites. This is twine. Twine is a type of string. This is string. This is twine. This is yarn. Yarn is used for knitting and crocheting. Here is a person knitting with yarn. Here is another person knitting with yarn. When you knit, you use 2 knitting needles and yarn. I wonder what he's knitting. Here is another person knitting. Here are some crochet needles. A crochet needle has a hook at the end. Here's a person crocheting. When you crochet with 1 crochet needle and yarn. I wonder what she's crocheting. This is a rope. This is also a rope. This is a man climbing a rope. This man is cutting down a Christmas tree. He leans against the Christmas tree and it falls down. Two people are cutting down this Christmas tree. It falls down onto a child. This is my Christmas tree. I'm holding my Christmas tree. If I stop holding my Christmas tree, it will fall down. I don't want it to fall over. What should I do? I should use a Christmas tree stand. This is a Christmas tree stand. You put a Christmas tree in it. It prevents the Christmas tree from falling down. These are two Christmas tree stands. One is green and black, and the other is red and green. Here is the red and green one. Here is the black and green one. This woman is wearing a black skirt. This woman is wearing a light-colored skirt. Most Christmas trees have Christmas tree skirts. This Christmas tree has a white Christmas tree skirt. This Christmas tree has a red Christmas tree skirt. This is a bucket. It's a metal bucket. These are buckets. They're plastic buckets. They have apples in them. These are rocks. These are also rocks. These rocks are piled on top of one another into a rock cairn. These are also rocks. This is water. This is water being sprinkled from a sprinkler. This is a drop of water on a blade of grass. This is a light. These are lights. These are three Christmas tree ornaments: a locomotive, a horse, and a star. This Christmas tree ornament is a heart. This Christmas tree ornament is a Christmas tree ball. It's a gold Christmas tree ball. This is a wreath. This is another wreath. This wreath is hanging up on a door. This is a Christmas tree farm. I went here to get a Christmas tree. Here are some Christmas trees. This is the Christmas tree I picked out. Here I'm holding a bow saw to cut down the Christmas tree. Here I am cutting down the Christmas tree. I'm sawing with the bow saw. I'm sawing back and forth, back and forth. Here I am with my Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is tied up with twine and is in my car. Here is the tree. It's tied up with twine and is halfway out of the car. I'm standing next to my tree. Now I need a Christmas tree stand. Here I'm putting rocks into a bucket that is my Christmas tree stand. The bucket is filled with rocks and water. Here is the tree and the Christmas tree stand. Now it needs some ornaments. Here are some Christmas tree lights. They are in a plastic bag. These Christmas tree lights are unplugged. They're off. Now I will plug them in. Now they are plugged in. They are on. Two of the lights are on, but one is not. It's burned out. I will plug one string of lights into the other one. And now the whole tree is lit up. Here are some Christmas tree balls in a plastic bag. Here are more Christmas tree balls. This is a gold Christmas tree ball. It has a hook for hanging on the tree. Here, I'm hanging the Christmas tree ball on the tree. This is a green Christmas tree ball. It also has a hook for hanging on the tree. Here, I'm hanging it on the tree. This is a Christmas tree ornament. It's a green mouse. Here is the mouse ornament hanging on the tree. This is a wreath. It's in a plastic bag. The wreath has a red ribbon on it. And now, the wreath is on the tree at the top. I love my decorated Christmas tree. It doesn't have a Christmas tree skirt, but it has lights, ornaments, and a wreath at the top. Merry Christmas! How was that? In this video, we took a look at a Christmas tree farm, a Christmas tree, lights, ornaments, Christmas tree skirts, and a wreath. In about a week, at New Year's, I'll cut up my tree and compost it. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. If you don't, I hope you have a nice day. I'll see you next time.